If you wish your name to be painted on the canvas, please let me know in the comment section. I'm going to make a small gift for my friend Emma. Here I have taken a 5.7 inches by 5.7 inches canvas, that is 15 by 15 centimeters. I'm starting with the lavender color on the top. Slowly, as you go to the bottom of the canvas, give a lighter shade. You can add a little white and mix with the color and make it a lighter shade. Okay, it is dry now. Let's take a smaller brush and carefully write the name on it. At the last, add some heart symbols and some sprinkles too. That's it. Now let it dry for few minutes. Let it dry for few minutes and you can add a thin layer of Mod Podge to protect your painting. And that's it, your personalized gift is ready. Thank you so much for watching and please subscribe my channel for more videos.